Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to keep iPhone screen on in 2024. So firstly, you have to go to settings first. Go to settings from your iPhone. Now scroll down and you'll find here display and brightness, this one. Click on display and brightness. Now scroll down a bit and you'll find here auto lock. Okay, click on auto lock and choose it. You can choose between 30 seconds to 5 minutes, but if you click on never, you can it will never auto lock, or it will stay awake all the time. Okay, so I'm clicking here never. Now go back, but if you find this auto lock option grayed out, probably your battery is on power saving mode. So how you can change this? You have to go to back and then go to battery, and you'll find here low power mode, which is turned off. If this turned on, you must turn this off. Okay, then you have to go back to your display and brightness, and you'll find here auto lock is normal. Then you can choose from here. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.